The socket source connector is also useful when developing it locally. Most of the time, we simulate unbounded data stream use socket source collector by interactive approach. Also, it will be used a lot in our subsequent lectures for unbounded data stream data dummy. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Actually the socket source collector are built in Flink SDK, so we can define it directly by call the env socket text stream method at here. We can specify host name and specify the TCP point. Also, you can specify the delimiter. The default is the \n. Okay. Before sync the elements to console, we can add the parallelism specify and here. All right. Range. Let me execute this application. Hello. Root. As you can see, everything is smoothly right. Let me open the Job Manager Web UI to check the data flow graph. And here, let's think about one question. Why is the socket source collector parallelism always 1? Okay. And about this, we have to inside the source code to check and verify. Inside the socket text string, and here existing the unsource method, unsource continuously. As you can see, and here have the logic verify if the function instance of parallel source function, okay, and inside the data stream source and here, as you can see, if the source function is a parallel, that will be keep the original parallelism. For example, you can specify it as the environment, or specify it as the command option, or specify it as the operator level, right? If the source function is not parallel, or also is not support parallel, that will be set parallelism 1. That's why we can always see the socket stream parallelism are always 1. Okay. If we specify the parallelism by menu and here more than 1, what happened? Okay, before answer this question, we can check the socket task stream implementation in the Flink source code level. Actually, the implementation is the socket text stream function at here. As you can see, the socket text stream function implements the socket function, not parallel source function, right? Okay, let me execution this application. Stop and rerun. Okay. The application will quickly terminate by abnormally. As you can see, the exception remind the parallelism or no parallel operator must be 1. I could not to set up the more than 1, right? If we keep inside the source code, as you can see at here, the set parallelism existing the validate parallelism logic inside, as you can see, can be parallel, and the parallelism if is can be parallel and more than 1, that will be through the exception. Okay.